प्रचार प्रसार हो।
Senior BJP leader A.L. Hek on Thursday yet again expressed his desire to lead a BJP-led coalition government in the state if the party asks him to shoulder that responsibility. Expressing confidence that the BJP would win at least 15 seats in the upcoming polls, Hek said that for the first time, the state BJP is contesting all the 60 seats. He claimed that the party has potential to win over 30 seats, and even if the BJP manages to secure only half of that, which is 15, the BJP will surely lead the next government in the state. To a pointed question on whether he is the BJP's chief ministerial face in the Meghalaya, Hek said that he is willing to shoulder any responsibility, but everything depends on the party's central leadership.
So we have seen wherever we go, they have seen that a lot of the acceptability of the BJP today. Not only in the urban area, nor in Shillong particularly. I've seen it even in the rural areas. BJP is a very structured party, a very organized party, and also a disciplined party. Right? Any decision taken by the central, we have to follow. That's all only I know. So BJP tomorrow, if they take in my name, I will not deny. I'm ready to take any responsibility if the BJP has given to me.
National People's Party and